In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving sequences and series for your WASSCE Maths. After going through this video, you'll be able to solve basically any problem you will meet under sequences and series for your WASSCE Maths. So let's get started. So let's begin with this question where it says find the nth term of the sequence. So this is a sequence 2 times 3, 4 times 6, 8 times 9, 16 times 12. So guys, for the purpose of time, we are going to be solving the problems we meet here with the scientific calculator, which is allowed for WASSCE Maths. If you want to learn how to solve sequence and series manually, I have a couple of videos I've recorded on it. So check the playlist of this WASSCE Maths video. You will see my videos on how to solve sequence and series manually. Watch them for your theory aspects of the WASSCE Maths, but for objective aspects, we'll be solving these problems with the scientific calculator to finish on time. So let's bring the calculator and solve this question 1. So this is the scientific calculator. The first thing to do is to reset it. We say press shift button 9 for the instruction, press record and press record again. So let's solve this question. We have the sequence to be this, and these are the options. Right now we're going to be evaluating each of these options to see the one that give all these sequence respectively. So we're going to make use of the function on this calculator. Press mode. When you get here, press 7 for table. So let's define f of x to be, let's evaluate option A now to be 2. We're going to replace n with x, alpha, and this button, alright, times 3 alpha and this button. So that's it. This is our f of x. Okay, no g of, just leave g of x. Now let's start from, we basically have 4 terms here. When you break this down, 2 times 3 is 6. This is 6, 24, 72, 192. So let's start from 1 and end at 4. So we have 4 terms specified. Okay, step 1, start from step 1. Okay, so you see we have 6, 36, 216. No, it's not correct. So that function is not correct. Let's check for option B. Option B is 2 to the power n times. So let's remove this. 3 in brackets. We have alpha x plus 1. Close the brackets. Okay, so press equal to. Let's start from 1, end at 4, step 1. So we have, no, it's not this one, it's not this one. Let's go back. Let's check option C. Alright, so it has to be option C. But let's verify times 3, and that's 3x. Okay, press equal to. Yes. So we have 624, correct? So it's option C, guys. If you check, 2 times 3 is 6, correct? 4 times 6 is 24, correct? 8 times 9 is 72, correct? 16 times 192, correct? So the right option is option C. It's as simple as this. This is how I can solve this kind of problem using this calculator. So we're making progress. Let's remove this and solve question 2. So let's go to question 2. It says the first term of a geometric progression is 3 and the fifth term is 40. Find your common ratio. So let's do the calculator again. So let's remove this. Press mode. Press 1 for it to go out. Alright. Now, for this question, you're going to make use of start mode. Press mode. Start is option 3. So pay attention here. Option C is for GP, geometric progression. So let's input the value. S value will be the number of term. The Y value will be what each term is in the question. So we have first term and fifth term. So it will be 1 and 5. Okay. So the first term is 3. Alright. And the fifth term is 48. So as I'm choosing the value, they are being stored on this calculator automatically. So let's go out of here now and find the common ratio. Press shift and this and button. When you get go for equation, sorry guys, let's do it again. Shift option 1, regression, go for this same button option 5. Okay, now there are two ways you can do this. We have first time and fifth time here. Now you know ratio this with division. So after 1, let's not by what 2. With 2 divide the value of the first time here, which is 3, press equal to. We have 2. Okay, 2 is a common ratio. Either I do this way or after 5, the next value is 1, 6. So let's put back that regression sign, shift this start button, regression 5. Yeah, that's 6 divide the value of the fifth time, which is 148. You still get 2. Still 2. So the right option is question option D, which is 2. Let's do the next question, which is this one. Says find the system of the sequence. So guys, did not tell us whether this is AP or GP. So let's begin with presuming that this is AP and solve this question. Let's bring a calculator. So guys, this is a calculator. The question says once more, find the system of the sequence. Now, they did not specify whether this is AP or GP. So let's experiment with AP. First, let's reset the calculator because we're going to start new values. Press shift button 9, run instructions, press 3, press equals, and press equals again. So go back to mode, start. When you get here, pay attention, option 2 is for AP. Press 2. So let's input the values. The S value will be the number of times. We have up to 3 times here. So let's work with 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2. Okay. So the first time is 2 divide 3. And the second time is 7 divide 15. So that's it. Let's remove this. The values are stored. To get the system, press shift this option 1, regression. So option 5 again. So when you get to press 6 and see if you are going to see the answer in the options. So we have minus 0.33. So this is definitely AP sequence. So the right option is option B. Minus 0.33 is the same thing as minus 1/3. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's solve the next question, which is this one. So it says find the 17th term of the AP. Okay, so let's bring the calculator again. So we need to restate to remove the previous value we stored. Press shift button 9, full instruction, press 3, press equals, and press equals again. Go back to start mode. So when you get here, this is still AP. So go for option 2. So we have up to 3 terms. Let's make use of only 2, 1 and 2. Alright, so the first term is minus 6 and the second term is minus 1. So the values are stored. Okay, let's press C. We have to find the 17th term. So press shift this option 1, regression option 5. So come here and put 17. That's the first equal to. So we have it was 74. Option D, the right answer. Making progress. Let's solve question. So it says find the ninth term of the arithmetic progression. Let's bring the calculator again. So this is the calculator. Let's clear to store fresh numbers. So we have press shift button 9, put instruction, press 3, press equal, and press equal again. So go back to start. Okay, press 2 for AP. We have up to 5 times here. Let's work with only 2, 1 and 2. So come to this place and put the values. We have 18 for first term and 12 for second term. Alright, values are stored. Let's get the 9th time. Press shift this button, regression, press 5 again. So come here and put 9. What we have to press equal to, we'll have it to minus 30. This is option C. That's it for this question. Let's solve the next question, which is this one. So it says if 16/9 x1 y are in geometric progression, you find the product of x and y. So let's bring a calculator and solve this. So for this question, let's reset to remove the previous values. Shift button and put instruction, press 3. Okay. we are good to go. So let's impute. We have up to 4 terms here. Okay, well, let's work with this. First of all, go to start. This is GP. Press 6 for GP. So we have, let's work with the terms that their values are defined, which are 1 and 3 for this question. Okay, so the first term here is 16 divide 9. 16 over 9 basically. This third term is 1. Okay, so we're good to go there. Stop. Press AC button. Now, to get the second term, press shift this option 1, regression. So the second term will be what? Press 2. We have it to be 1.33. So what of the fourth term? The fourth term will be 0.75. So the product of x and y will be 0.75 times 1.33 is equal to 0.9975. So when you check 3 divided by 4, 0.75, no. Okay, 0.9975. Let's take 9 divided by 16. No. So basically, guys, the answer will be 1, option B, because 0.9975 is approximately 1 if you are leaving it in whole number. So the right option in this question is option B, which is 1. Okay, 0.9975 is approximately 1. So that's it for this question. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once, make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more of this video. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to place the comment section below, and I'm sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be receiving premium information that help you to excel in your external exam like WASSCE and other external exam you'll be writing. So guys, this is very important. Check the description of this video. You see link to my other channel, Casio Calculator Tutorial. I did many on calculator tricks for WASSCE Maths. When you get there, you see about 100 videos on WASSCE Maths I solved using calculator. So it's important you guys check that channel and master this calculator for advanced problems on WASSCE Maths. Okay, so having done that, don't forget to see this calculator once you're done. Just press shift button now, in the search and press 3, press record again. So that's it. Now click on the screen below and I see you in the next video.